I have for you a 15-minute front split routine for beginners. It is important to do this routine while being present in the moment and breathing deeply. Do this up to 3 days a week. For this routine, don't make your maximum effort. Go around 50 or 60%. Feel the stretch in the right muscles, which are the hamstrings and the hip flexors. If you want more front split routines for all levels, check the link in the description for my front split course. For this routine, you will need two yoga blocks and something to elevate the foot. A chair, a bench, even a log, or whatever. Every time you exhale, try to go deeper. I will exaggerate the movement during this routine. We will start with the warm up 10 kicks with both legs straight. The left leg goes first. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now switch legs. Let's go to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So good job. The first exercise is the standing bike, one leg elevated. Find a chair or something to elevate the foot. Don't round the back, no. Maintain a straight back, also a straight leg. To 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Maintain a straight back and feel the stretch in the back of the thigh. Go as deep, maintaining a straight back, according to your level. Let's do 8 breaths. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now do a PNF. Press the heel down. Let's go. Keep pressing. Keep pressing. Contract that muscle. Go on. And relax. Try to go deeper. So, 1 breath, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, now you can round your back. Good job. Go as deep as your level allows you to. So, let's do 8 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now do a PNF. Press the heel down. Really press it. Focus on contracting that hamstring. Come on, keep pressing and relax. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's it for this side. Good job. Now let's do the other side. So switch legs. Maintain the leg straight, back straight. Let's go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So now you're going to breathe into the position according to your level. So let's go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you are going to do a PNF contraction. Press down the heel. So let's go. Keep pressing down. Feel that hamstring contracting. Come on and relax. Now go deeper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now you can round the back. Go as deep according to your level. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do a PNF contraction. Press that heel down. So let's go. Really feel that hamstring contracting. Keep pressing and relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will do a long lunge. So rest your knee on the floor, square the hips, don't round the back, no, maintain a straight back. Get into position. You can rest your hands on your side. 10 reps. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now you will hold the position. Focus on really extending the back leg. Extend the knee completely and go as deep as your body allows you to. So keep holding that position. Focus on your hip flexors, which is the front part of the leg. We are focusing on the back leg and relax. Good job. Now we are going to do the other side. So switch legs, get into position. Remember, maintain an upright trunk. You can rest your hands on your front thigh to maintain balance. And let's go. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now hold the position. Yeah, let's go. Really focus on your back leg. You should really be feeling those hip flexors working. That's the front part of the thigh. Remember, we are focusing on the back leg. Relax. Good job. The next exercise is the quadriceps on the wall. You need a block down of your knee that goes to the wall, just as I am doing. The front leg is your support. Set yourself as I do. Yeah. Use a block on your hand to maintain balance. And we will do 8 breaths. Your goal is to touch your butt with your feet. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you will do a PNF contraction. You will need to press the knee down. Feel the stretch on the hip flexors. Focus on feeling your hip flexors. Contract the front of that thigh. Keep going. And relax. Let's do 8 breaths. You should be able to go higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's switch sides. So put a block down of your other knee. Use the front leg for support. Use the block for support also. Try to maintain an upright trunk and let's go. We will do 8 breaths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do a PNF contraction. Press that knee down and hold yourself from the wall if you are able to. Feel the stretch on the hip flexors. Really feel it contracting. And relax. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to get higher. 5, 6. Try to touch your butt with your foot. 7, 8. Good. Now we will do a low lunge. Place the block on the shin where I am showing. That's on the leg, not the knee. No, no, no. On the shin. So that will be the left shin. Now the right leg goes as a support. Square the hips, trunk upright. You are facing the front. Go as deep as your body allows you to. We will do 8 breaths. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now do a PNF contraction. Press the shin down. Feel the stretch on the hip flexor, in this case the left leg. Keep contracting and relax. Now go deeper as your body allows you to. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now we are going to switch sides. Now the right shin will go on the block. The shin, what I am showing you, that's the leg, not the knee. No, no, no. The shin. That's the one that goes on the block. Put pressure on the shin. Yeah, that's the correct way to do it, so you don't hurt yourself. So, as before, place the left leg as support, maintain an upright trunk, go as your body allows you to. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now contract. Press down your shin. Keep contracting. You should feel it on the right leg, on your front thigh, your hip flexors. So keep going. Now relax. This time try to go as deep as you can. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Awesome. To finish, we will do a beginner's lotus pose so you can relax. Lie down on the floor, right leg at 90 degrees on the wall as I am showing. The left leg rests on the right leg. Feel the stretch on the glutes as I am showing. So this was a little bit hard, and now I want you to relax. We will do 30 seconds. I want you to breathe deeply, to just allow yourself to breathe. And good. Now we will switch sides. So now the left leg goes at 90 degrees. The right leg rests on the left leg as I am showing. Really relax. Breathe. Really feel that right glute stretching. Allow yourself to rest. You can use your foot to make the stretch a little bit intense if you need to. If it is intense enough, then that's fine. The deeper you breathe, the deeper you stretch.